Welcome to the rich and flavorful world of Italian pasta dishes. Italy's culinary landscape is as diverse as its regions, each contributing unique ingredients and techniques to create some of the world's most beloved dishes. From the bustling streets of Rome to the charming villages of Tuscany, pasta is a staple that unites the country in gastronomic delight. In this video, we'll embark on a delicious journey through 10 iconic Italian pasta dishes, exploring their descriptions, histories, and the stories behind their creation. From the creamy comfort of spaghetti alla carbonara to the spicy kick of penne alla arrabbiata, each dish offers a taste of Italy's rich culinary heritage. Whether you're a pasta aficionado or a curious food lover, there's something for everyone to discover and savor. Join us as we delve into the origins of these timeless classics, uncovering the traditions, ingredients, and techniques that make each dish a culinary masterpiece.
Spaghetti alla carbonara.
A classic Roman dish made with spaghetti, eggs, pecorino romano cheese, pancetta, and black pepper. The creamy sauce is created by combining beaten eggs with grated cheese and mixing it with hot pasta and pancetta. The exact origin of carbonara is debated, but it's generally believed to have its roots in Rome after World War II. Some theories suggest it was created for American soldiers stationed in Italy.
Linguine alle vongole.
This dish features linguine pasta served with fresh clams, garlic, white wine, olive oil, and sometimes tomatoes or parsley. It's a light and flavorful dish with a perfect balance of seafood and pasta. This dish is especially popular along the Italian coastline. Its origins likely trace back to the coastal fishing communities where clams were readily available.
Lasagna.
Lasagna consists of layers of flat pasta sheets baked with alternating layers of meat or vegetables, cheese like ricotta, mozzarella, and parmesan, and tomato sauce. Lasagna has ancient origins, with some tracing it back to ancient Greece and others to ancient Rome. The modern version we know today is likely a product of the Middle Ages in Italy, evolving over time with regional variations.
Ravioli.
Ravioli are pasta parcels filled with various ingredients like ricotta cheese, spinach, or meat. They are often served with a sauce such as marinara or a simple butter and sage. Ravioli can be traced back to the Middle Ages in Italy, with variations appearing in different regions. They became particularly popular during the Renaissance and have since spread to become a beloved dish worldwide.
Fettuccine Alfredo.
Fettuccine Alfredo features fettuccine pasta tossed in a rich and creamy Alfredo sauce made from butter, Parmesan cheese, and sometimes cream. The dish was created by Alfredo di Lelio in Rome in the early 20th century. Alfredo served a simpler version of it at his restaurant, but the dish gained popularity, especially among American tourists. The Americanized version with cream is not traditional but has become widely accepted.
Penne alla arrabbiata.
Featuring penne pasta, penne alla arrabbiata is served with a spicy tomato sauce made with garlic, red chili peppers, and tomatoes. The name arrabbiata means angry in Italian, referring to the spiciness of the dish. It originated in Rome and has become a staple in Italian cuisine due to its simplicity and bold flavors.
Orecchiette con cime di rapa.
Orecchiette pasta is served with sautéed turnip greens, garlic, chili flakes, and sometimes anchovies or sausage. This dish hails from the region of Puglia in southern Italy, where both orecchiette pasta and sime di rapa are local specialties. It's a simple and rustic dish that showcases the flavors of the region.
Tagliatelle al ragu.
Featuring tagliatelle pasta served with a meat-based bolognese sauce made from ground beef or pork, tomatoes, onions, celery, carrots, and wine. Originating from Bologna in the Emilia-Romagna region, this dish is commonly known outside of Italy as spaghetti bolognese. However, in Bologna, it's traditionally served with flat pasta like tagliatelle or fettuccine.
Pappardelle al cinghiale.
A hearty dish of pappardelle pasta served with the wild boar ragu. This dish is popular in Tuscany and central Italy, where wild boar hunting has been a tradition for centuries. The rich flavors of the wild boar pair perfectly with the wide and flat pappardelle pasta.
Gnocchi alla Sorrentina.
Gnocchi are potato dumplings baked with tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and sometimes basil or parmesan. While gnocchi itself has ancient origins, the alla Sorrentina version likely originated in Sorrento. It's a comforting and flavorful dish that has become popular both in Italy and internationally. Each of these dishes reflects the diversity and richness of Italian cuisine, with regional variations adding to their unique flavors and histories. Each dish tells a story, reflecting the history, culture, and flavors of its region of origin. As you savor these dishes, remember that the beauty of Italian cuisine lies in its diversity and adaptability. Whether you're recreating these recipes at home or enjoying them in a traditional trattoria, each bite connects you to Italy's rich culinary heritage. So the next time you twirl your fork around a plate of spaghetti or savor a mouthful of ravioli, you'll have a deeper appreciation for the craftsmanship, passion, and tradition that goes into creating these beloved dishes.
Ricorda sempre, le persone che amano mangiare sono le persone migliori. Buon appetito!